Today I show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Android phone doesn't take pictures and the camera is not working. As you probably tell, this phone was dropped and the camera doesn't work. I'll show you now what happens. The camera is not working. This is where it was dropped. I glued it. I kind of fixed it. For me, it's okay like this. For the videos, it's fine. I can use it like this. But when you start the camera up doesn't work because it's trying to use the main camera. All these cameras here, that's exactly where the drop happened, and it's not working. Eventually you get an error message here. I tried multiple modes, portrait, anything, photo, video, nothing works. But there is a trick here. So all these videos, all these modes here you have, they will not help. But there is one trick you could use where you can still use the camera. So the camera, I just glued the screen here. I just finished gluing the screen here, and there will be some error now. I'll try to take a photo now. So yeah, the hit was right. The phone was dropped here on a rock, on a stone, exactly where is the camera modules, all of them, the main ones. But the selfie camera still works. So I want to show you how to use the selfie camera even when the main cameras are not working. So this is not working, it's not responding. It should show an error message soon. I don't see the error message. Even if I try to change to the front camera, from the change camera view, front to back, it still doesn't work. So the whole camera app is frozen. The whole camera app is frozen, and at some point it might say not responding, or you get some error about the camera app. And I'll show you now how to actually use the front camera when the back cameras are not working. This might be pretty useful for someone. This might be pretty useful for someone at some point. It's always good to have this. It's pretty easy to use the selfie camera when the main cameras are not working. So this is the camera app. First, close the camera app, close everything. Go to the search mode. So I swipe up and you search for camera. You can search for camera, and then you have in camera, you have options for shortcuts. Take selfie, record video, take portrait. Tap on take selfie, and you will have the option to use the camera. So this is, I can take a photo now. That's me. That's the camera here. So this is the camera app working, but not from the back cameras. It's working with the front camera here, and it's not very clear because there is light also, and there is a crack exactly on the camera. As you see, one of the cracks here, it's exactly in front of the camera. So that's not ideal, but it works. So I'll show you now. The photo is saved right there. So you can keep using the camera app like this. You can take photos, but if you try to switch to the main camera, then you can't, because these things, they don't work anymore. Okay, so I tried the 10x. The camera app is frozen now, it's stuck. The screen gets a bit warm, gets a bit hot. Because it was dropped, there might be other problems with it. So you see the camera app is not working. And to get out of this, when you search again, you have the option to take selfie. No, this one. You cannot use more than one application that uses camera at the same time. Okay. Okay, so the app is not closed. I close it. I have to make sure I close it, and then I swipe up. So now I try again, take selfie. I might have to restart the phone now. Yeah, because the camera was stuck. Yeah, so you might have to do a restart on the phone. So I'll do that right now. we'll do a quick restart. After the restart, I'll do the same thing, search for camera, and then choose take selfie. And now I can still take pictures of myself like this. That's how it works. It's not ideal, but it does work. And the phone is getting a little bit hot, so if you drop your phone, make sure that actually there's nothing wrong with it. It seems like it's getting hot here. It might be doing updates. It's getting really hot. This is where the main board is. So yeah, there might be other things wrong with the phone. And if you drop your phone, make sure you copy all the files out, pictures and videos, as soon as possible to an external USB drive or a computer or laptop or anything like that. And the camera app is still working in the selfie mode like this, so I can actually take selfie pictures, but the screen is getting really dim because the phone gets hot. Thanks for watching. This is a trick to use the selfie camera when the main camera apps are not working. This is a trick to use the selfie camera when the main cameras are not working on your Samsung Android phone. You have to restart the phone if you switch to the main cameras. You have to restart the phone if you switch to the main cameras and it gets stuck again. You have to restart the phone. You have to restart your phone if you switch to the main camera by mistake and it's gonna be stuck again. The camera app gets stuck. You could replace the camera modules. You could also replace the screen, but for me, I don't think it's worth it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the price of the screen and the cameras, especially original. If you want to change the screen, better get an original part. You don't want to get one of those Chinese screens that don't look good and they might not last too much anyway. Thanks for watching.